Here comes the A-Train, baby. Hey, what's going on, my man? I brought you a gift.
Thanks.
Yeah.
But I wanted to see Translucent.
Well, Translucent, he's on a super duper undercover mission right now. So right now, you got me, the A-Train, baby.
But that was my only wish, to see Translucent. He's my hero.
Well, I'm sure he could just swing by next week, right? Well, for right now, you got me, the A-Train, the fastest man alive. And, whenever you become healthy again, I can teach you to run as fast as me.
Really?
Of course. I can teach you to outrun anything.
You'll teach me to outrun cancer?
Yeah.